Step-by-step guide to configure group policies for Group Policy Assignment 1 Answer key. Objective: configure group policies for password management, account lockout, device security, screensaver, critical system access, Windows Command Prompt and PowerShell restrictions. Log into the workstation. Ensure local administrative privileges on the workstation where the policy changes will be applied. Open the local group policy editor. Type gpedit MSC in the Windows search bar. Click the Group Policy Editor shortcut and press Enter. Step 1. Configure password policy. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Account Policies, Password Policy. Configure the following settings. Enforce password history. Set to 10 passwords remembered. Maximum password age. Set to 90 days. Minimum password age. Set to 2 days. Minimum password length. Set to 12 characters. Password must meet complexity requirements. Enable this setting to require uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Store passwords using reversible encryption. Disable this setting. Click Apply and OK. Step 2. Configure account lockout policy. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Account Policies, Account Lockout Policy. Configure the following settings. Account lockout threshold. Set to 5 invalid logon attempts. Account lockout duration. Set to 10 minutes. The account will remain locked for 10 minutes after the threshold is reached. Reset account lockout counter after. Set to 10 minutes. The failed login attempt counter will reset after 10 minutes of inactivity. Click Apply and OK. Step 3. Restrict USB removable storage access. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Removable Storage Access. Configure the following setting. All removable storage classes. Deny all access. Enable this setting to block all access to USB drives and other removable media devices. Click Apply and OK. Step 4. Enforce idle lock and screensaver. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel Personalization. Configure the following settings. Enable screensaver. Enable this setting to activate the screensaver after a period of inactivity. Password protect the screensaver. Enable this setting to require users to enter their password to unlock the screensaver. Screensaver timeout. Set to 600 seconds, 10 minutes of inactivity before the screensaver activates. Click Apply and OK. Step 5. Control access to critical system areas. Restrict control panel and settings access. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel. Configure the following setting. Prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. Enable this setting to restrict non-administrative users from modifying system settings. Click Apply and OK. Step 6. Disable System Tools access. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates System. Configure the following settings. Prevent access to the command prompt. Enable this setting to prevent users from accessing the command prompt. Prevent access to registry editing tools. Enable this setting to block users from accessing the registry editor. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Control plus Alt plus Del options. Configure the following setting. Remove Task Manager. Enable this setting to disable Task Manager for non-administrative users. Click Apply and OK. Step 7. Restrict PowerShell access. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows PowerShell. Configure the following setting. Turn on script execution. Disable this setting to prevent users from running unauthorized PowerShell scripts. Click Apply and OK. Step 8. Force Group Policy Update. To apply the changes immediately, open Windows Command Prompt and run the following command. gpupdate /force. Restart the workstation and log on to ensure all policy changes are fully applied.